Right now, the videos page is completely static and is the same for every user. So let's personalize it. What we want to do is that we want to display videos from different languages based on the accept language header. To be more specific, we want to look into the HTTP headers object, we want to read the accept language header, and then we want to use this to parameterize the requests we send to our API to fetch the list of the videos. To read the request headers, we can use the headers function from Next.js. This function extends the native web headers API and is currently read-only. In our code, we are going to import the headers function, and then we're going to get the language as headers.getAcceptLanguage, and due to the format of the accept language header, we are going to split it into substrings with a comma separator, and we're going to grab the first item. Next, we're going to define a query, so if the language exists, we are going to set language to language, and if it doesn't exist, we are going to set it to an empty string. And finally, we are going to include the query at the end of the URL. If you view the page and refresh it, nothing should change, as long as your browser is in English. But if I set it to Spanish using this add-on, you can see that as soon as I do that, I'm gonna get Spanish videos alongside the English ones. Using functions like headers or cookies comes with a small caveat. That is, that it will make your fetch functions behave like as if you set a cache to no store. That's because the information about incoming HTTP requests can't be known at build time. This means that incoming requests are going to hit the API and aren't going to get cached.